Mastering Reordering Events in TOEFL Listening. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a very specific part of the TOEFL listening section: reordering events questions. These questions test your ability to follow and understand the sequence of events or steps presented in a listening passage. Let's delve into some effective strategies to ace these types of questions. Reordering events questions typically present you with a list of events, statements, or steps, and your task is to arrange them in the correct order according to the audio passage. These questions assess your comprehension and ability to track the flow of information. 1. Take notes. While listening to the passage, jot down short, concise notes. Use symbols, arrows, or numbers to help keep track of the sequence of events. For instance, if the speaker mentions a step or event, quickly note down a keyword and a corresponding number. 2. Focus on transition words. Listen carefully for transition words like first, next, then, after that, finally, etc. These words are clear indicators of the sequence in which events or steps are presented. 3. Stay alert for repetitions. Sometimes, speakers repeat or recap information. This can serve as a reminder or clarification of the sequence of events. 4. Practice with different passages. The more you practice with varied passages, the better you become at discerning the sequence. Diversify your practice materials to include conversations, lectures, and discussions. 5. Review options before listening. If possible, glance at the options before the audio starts. This gives you an idea of what to listen for and helps you prepare your notes accordingly. 1. Beware of distractions. 2. Often, speakers will include additional information that doesn't directly relate to the sequence of main events. It's important to differentiate between central events and additional details. 3. Don't rely solely on memory. 4. While it might be tempting to think you can remember the sequence without notes, always jot down brief reminders. Under test conditions, it's easy to forget or confuse details. 5. Avoid overthinking. 6. Sometimes, the correct order might seem straightforward. Trust your initial understanding and the notes you've taken. Reordering.